Hello friends, how are you? Today I will show you how to change Google Map app kilometer to miles or miles to kilometer. Whenever you install Google Maps, it is default to automatic, set as a automatic. But how to change? So just follow our step. Open Google Map, just press it. After, click profile button and click on settings. There you can search or find distance unit. Just click it. Now this time is default as a automatic. Now you can change miles. Now अब search now you can check this is a converted is miles now. So friends, this is a way how to change kilometer to miles in Google Maps. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.